Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video let's discuss some more questions related to problems on train. Yesterday we have discussed concepts and some basic questions, and today let's solve the questions related to the concepts. So here is the 8th question. A train covers 90 meter in passing a standing man. Find the length of the train. Option A 20 meter, option B 87 meter, option C 71 meter, option D 90 meter, option E none of this. Here a train covers 90 meter while passing a standing man. Think this is a train A passes a standing man. Okay, passes a standing man. Yesterday I told you that when a train passes a standing man or a signal post or any other object, then the object's length is negligible compared to the train. Then the distance covered by the train is equals to the length of that train. Okay, then here's the question to find the length of the train. Now itself I told you length of the train is equals to the distance covered by the train while passing any small objects of negligible length. So here train is covering a distance of 90 meter. Distance is equals to length of train, right? So option D. Then 9th question. A 220 meter long train passes a signal post in 12 seconds. Find the speed of the train. Okay. As you all know, speed is distance by time. Here a 220 meter long train passes a signal post in 12 seconds. So distance is 220 meter by 12 seconds. Speed is, they are asked to find the speed of the train. So speed is, but see all options are in kilometer per hour, but we have the answer, the given one, in meter per second. So I need to convert this meter per second to kilometer per hour. What is the formula to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour? Just multiply 220 by 12 by 18 by 5. After solving, you will get 66 kilometer per hour. Option C. Then 10th question. A train running at the speed of 72 kilometer per hour goes past a pole in 15 seconds. What is the length of the train? Train running at a speed is given, that is 72 kilometer per hour. See, all options are in meter, so convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, what is the formula to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? 72 into 5 by 18 4s are, then 20 meter per second is the speed of the train. Past a pole in 15 seconds. Time is given. A train is crossing a pole in 15 seconds by speed 20 meter per second. Then what is the length of the train? Speed is equals to distance by time. Then distance, as I already told you, when a train passes a signal post or any other small object, then distance is equals to length of train. Length of train. What is length of train? Distance, speed into time. Distance is speed into time. So speed is 20, time is 15. 300 meter. Option C. 11th question. A 150 meter long train running with the speed of 90 km per hour crosses a bridge in 26 seconds. What is the length of the bridge. See, 150-meter long train. Think a train A of length 150 meter running with the speed 90 kilometer per hour. Convert this 90 kilometer per hour to meter per second, because all options and even the length of the train are all in meter. So convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. What is the formula to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? Just multiply this given one by 5 by 18. 18 5 25 meter per second. Now we know speed and length of train. Cross a bridge in time 26 seconds. Here there is a bridge, okay, of length x. Length is not given, so consider the length of the bridge as x. Okay, speed is distance by time, right? Here speed is given. The question is to find the length of the bridge. Speed is 25. Time is given 26. What is distance? When a train is crossing a bridge, so when the train is crossing a bridge, then their length should be added. Length of train is 150 meter. Then length of bridge is x. Let us consider the length of bridge as x. Now multiply, cross multiply, 150 plus x. When you multiply 25 into 26, you will get 650. Take this 150 to the LHS side, minus 150. Then x is equals to 500 meter. I just multiplied 25 into 26, cross multiplication, 150 plus x. When you multiply 25 into 26, you will get 650. Then take this 150 to the LHS side. After solving, you get 500 meter. That is option A. 12th question. A train traveling at a speed of 30 meter per second crosses a 600 meter long platform in 30 seconds. Find the length of the train. Option A 120 meter, option B 150 meter, option C 200 meter, option D 300 meter. Here a train is traveling at a speed of 30 meter per second. Think train A traveling at a speed 30 meter per second crosses a 600 meter long platform. Okay, length of the platform is 600 meter. Length of the train is not given, so consider this as x. Find the length of the train. Here speed is given and the train is crossing a 600 meter long platform in time 30 seconds. No changes because all units are in meter per second, meter and seconds. So no need to change. Just write speed is distance by time, right? Distance is added. Length of the train plus length of platform, that is 600 plus x. Time is given, that is 30 seconds. Speed is 30. 30 into 30, cross multiply, then 600 plus x. 900. When you multiply 30 into 30, you will get 900 minus 600 by x. X is 300 meter. So the length of the train is 300 meter, option D. 13th question. A train crossed a platform in 43 seconds. Okay, the length of the train is 170 meter. What is the speed of train? Option A 233 km per hour, option B 243 km per hour, option C 265 km per hour, option D is cannot be determined. Here a train crosses a platform. Think train A crosses a platform in time 43 seconds. The length of the train is 170 meter. What is the speed of the train? To find speed, we have formula distance by time. We are asked to find the speed of the train. Okay, but the length of the platform is not given. To find the speed of the train, we need the length of the platform, because we can't find two speed and also the length of the train at a time. If the speed is given, we are able to find the length of the platform, right? So because the length of the platform is not given, 170 meter plus y 43. Can you able to find this? No, right? We do not have sufficient information. So option D cannot be determined.